Hey y'all, look, we are gonna do something different outside the box today. We're gonna experiment with some vegan food. Vegan. Yeah, that's right. I said it as a black man. Vegan. We're gonna try to figure out a way to let that pork go, you know what I'm saying? You know, that hog boy, I tell you, he been doing me in for a few years, but we're gonna make some changes. So I'm trying to do this vegan thing, and I don't know how it's gonna go, but it's gonna be an attempt to make some vegan tacos.
So this is day one of our going vegan challenge, and today we're making vegan tacos. So let's get into the video.
Let's get into the video.
I'm recording.
All right, I think we need to saute this first. And we got some Mrs. Dash. We're gonna season our cauliflower with. This is gonna be our meat right here. All right. So
Which is cauliflower.
Cauliflower. We're going to put the cauliflower on it to season our fake meat.
I'm probably gonna put some
Our
taco.
cauliflower, we're gonna put some.
We got some taco sauce right there.
We're gonna put some Italian seasoning. No, we're gonna do something better than taco sauce. We're gonna do some
Paprika.
No, we're gonna do some Mrs. Dash if I can find it.
Then you got to do it for the coloring. I can't eat it if it's gonna look that color. You got to have some color. You got to have like pepper.
I got you.
Okay.
Okay, I got you.
Alright.
I don't know what Mrs. Dash, she don't took off and ran somewhere. This is the garlic and herb. I was looking for the lemon pepper. Mrs. Dash. But anyway, we don't have it. So we're gonna use the garlic and herb, Mrs. Dash. As you can see right there. Some of the best stuff on the market. Italian seasoning. And we're not sponsored by Walmart yet, but we sure are using their products. So you can get great value at Walmart. Alright, so that's a light tasting olive oil. And we're gonna put a little garlic in there, a little garlic powder. You know, just kind of spice it up a little bit. And I also like, there is not a meal on earth that I like to make without putting in a little black cracked pepper. You gotta have that cracked pepper, man. There ain't nothing like that. I call it cracked pepper, but it says black popcorn grinder. Is what it says. I call it cracked pepper because it goes like this. Hear it cracking? Yeah, got that crack on it.
meat taco sauce going on. Bam. Put some lettuce. This is classic iceberg lettuce.
Give me one of them while you're ready. Let me fix you one. Let me fix you one. Got some sour cream over there.
Sour cream is dairy, so it wouldn't be vegan.
Okay.
And it contains milk and soy, so it'll defeat our purpose.
Okay.
And she'll be, dang. You might try some off camera. Okay. Alright, so now we're at the dinner table and ready to try it out.
Who's going first?
How do you think we did?
I think we did pretty good.
I think it's gonna turn out pretty good.
At least we'll know in a minute anyway.
Let me drink some first.
Go try it. Here we go.
Alright, ready?
At the same time?
Mhm.
1,
2.
hold on. We're gonna eat this in the name of health.
Oh Lord, bless this food. Amen.
Amen.
3,
Ready?
2, 1.
Mmm.
I ain't even do it. I just did it. Oh God.
That's all the chain right there.
I'm gonna add a little hot sauce on mine.
Mmm.
I like my stuff spicy.
I'm ready to out. Texas Pete. Y'all know how we roll. Put Texas Pete on everything. Put it on the sandwiches, bacon, eggs.
This tastes pretty good, y'all.
They're good, don't they?
Mm-hmm.
Probably smart.
Good job.
Hmm?
Good job.
Have fun with
So, what's next?
that. Spaghetti!
Vegan spaghetti. So, y'all stay tuned.
That is good.
We're gonna finish grubbing on these.
Peace.
Alright guys, thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Also, share this video with all your kinfolk, your friends, your cousin, your pastor.
All of them that you know that got high blood pressure and just trying to get it down. Hey, I need to switch over to this vegan diet and everything and see can you make it happen. Cause if you want to live, you better eat right.
Bye guys. That's it. Okay. I got something in my teeth. I do. I feel it.
Where to go to?